So let me continue on with, here's what I like for you to do for your file structure for this course. Now, just because I call it IMED 1301 or 13016 or 14016, the course number is going to vary. Look at your course number with it. And also the name of the directory is going to vary from semester to semester. So you have to look at your course number to see what what it is with it. So let me explain a couple of things in here. What you're looking at. So this is the Windows File Explorer that I would open up if you look at your taskbar. You open up your Windows File Explorer. You should have like a connect to OneDrive some way somehow. Should have a OneDrive, and my this is my file structure, which is totally different from your file structure. All right, I always like to name my file structure based on the semester that I'm in right now. So, for example, again, this will vary from semester to semester. It could be fall, it could be spring, it could be summer, it could be year 2023, it could be 24, 25, so on, so on with it. So I call this semester SU for summer 2023. And this is the course number, what I would like to name it with it. Again, this will vary. This right here will vary based on your semester. So let me just pull up a notepad. Again, let me just show this notepad on here with it. Uh, so this will vary based on your semester. So let's say your course number is, it could be IMED, no spaces on there with it, and if you put a dash, just call it SU for the semester, and it could be 20 or 23, 22, whatever it is. All right, it really doesn't matter if your course number is. Look at your eCampus. It could be this. It could be. You know, it will vary based on your semester with it, so on with it. It could be again, so on and so on. You get the drift. Note, I don't put spaces in my name. Hyphen is all I name, uppercase the first semester. These are the name of the directories, by the way. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to show you how to, what this looks like right now with it. So this is in my OneDrive right now, but here's what I like for you to do is, I'm going to do this on this PC. I'm in Windows 10 right now. If I click on my documents, this is my documents with it as well. It's going to be a little different. I'm going to use a little sandbox on here with it. So this is, I create a directory called, if you can remember, it's IMED 1301-May term with it as well, right? So you could do it May term. You know, based on the semester, that's what you have. Let me just rename this thing right here, so we can recognize this right now with it. So let me just put dash SU 23. Again, this will vary from semester to semester. Don't. This is just a very general with it. Keep this directory in mind. The directory is called IMED 1301-May term SU23, and I'm going to show you this how to access this and create a directory over in your DOS command with it. And here's what I like for you to do. So if you went to, let me pause for a second. So again, I'm going to come down to my command line on my taskbar where it says type to search. Just type in CMD for me with it. So if you're on a virtual desktop, you can do this on your virtual desktop as well. So it opens up your virtual desktop with it. Now if you remember, this is the prompt. DIR shows you the content of that with it. And I'm looking at, here's my directory for documents right here with it, right? So I'm going to go into that directory, CD documents, right? Enter, and I do dir, and I should see a directory that I created a few minutes ago with it. Here's that IMED 1301 May term SU23. I need everybody to create a directory like this for me for the time being with it, and just go in. I'm gonna go inside that directory, CD change directory IMED 1301 dash, what's that thing called again? May term SU 23. Okay, so May term dash SU 23. Enter. You see the prompt comes in. I just do DAR, and I have two empty directories right now. You don't see that. Don't worry about this, all right? Take a screenshot of this. I need for you to take a screenshot of this. More important, I need for you, for depending on the course structure and with it. So here's this directory right here. Go inside that directory. I have the syllabi, of course, in here. You can download the syllabi. Create a couple of folders in here for me. I need for you to create module 1 and repeat that. Just repeat it. Just right mouse click on it. New folder. Module 2. No spaces. Just just exactly how I have it. Module 3, and so on and so on. We're going to do about 3 or 4 of these modules in here. Module 4 and module 5. Okay. Okay. So you're going to put your assignment, your stuff inside of this file, of these subdirectories. There's nothing in here. As you can see, this is the path, how it gets to here. So I want you to click here, take a screenshot of this, all right, using your snipping tool with it. So if I open up, go down to the bottom, just type in my snipping tool right there. Just come over. Make sure I need to see everything. This is a bad snipping tool with it. Let me move this out of the way here. So I need to see the whole file structure like this. All right. So I need to see the whole thing. Copy it, paste into this area where I asked you to do it in class exercise number, whatever it is, that section where I asked you to paste it into. All right. That's all.